asking is where do you get your ideas? I mean, for the different places that you explore, is it something just sporadic? You just like, okay, I'll just go there, or you really think it out?
No. It actually starts out with a couple of guys in the show, the producers, the directors, the cinematographers.
Couple guys in the shower?
Show. Yeah, show. It's later on. I'll give you guys some Aussie accent tips if you want to.
But we have a lot of females are getting turned on just listening to your accent. They're asking if you're really good looking.
Yeah,
Yes. And he's African, down under.
Well, wait. If it's coming from you, they don't really...
No, I'm confirming to them.
As a matter of fact, we have Doctora also here who wanted to see you in person.
Can you give me a good light? Just make sure that you don't...
But your hat is going to block the light.
It's okay, because I posted your picture on Twitter.
Yeah.
It's like Indiana Jones.
What you have a Twitter account so people can see you?
Yeah, it's Bogart D letter D D Explorer.
Yeah.
Bogart D Explorer, because Twitter won't let me put the THE there.
Bogart the Explorer.
Bogart D Explorer.
Dexplorer.
Yeah. yeah. So Dexplorer, but
Explorer.
Capital D.
And the girls are asking is how's your love life? Is it difficult, especially you're going exploring?
My accent mo, it's kind of matindi.
Well, the girls can rest easy because the love life is doing okay at the moment. Yeah.
So you're single?
No, I have a girlfriend.
Good.
Do you ever try and pick up girls with the accent?
No, because they don't usually have to, because once they hear me talking, they approach, but once they see the belly pad, they kind of just want to squeeze my cheeks.
That's called katawang pang romansa.
Yeah, could be love handles. Yeah.
You friend zone all the girls who are listening.
No, I'm being friend zoned right now by all the girls. Yeah, so
mean guy.
All right, well, we're gonna get some calls. It's funner when it's summer. That's what we're talking about tonight. And Bogart, what do you think? Why is it funner when it's summer in the Philippines?
Well, it's funner when it's summer because the shrimps all come out.
What do you mean? What are the shrimps?
Well, in your local language, you call it hipon.
Okay.
Oh.
But us Aussies, we call it prawns.
Prawns.
Yeah, but because of tourism purposes, we call it shrimp. Shrimp on the barbie. So the best kind of dish, because it's fun in the summer because of the food, basically. Because when you have shrimp and you have drunken shrimp, locally it's nilasing na hipon.
Oh.
That's pretty good to eat.
But the same hipon you're talking about, you have to be lasing yourself to appreciate the hipon.
You have to be. It's easier to eat it that way.
That's why it's drunken shrimp.
Drunken shrimp.
Because you have to get drunk to eat the shrimp.
And the shrimp needs to be drunk to drink to eat you, so it will be eaten.
And we're not talking about mussels here.
No.
We're talking about the hipon.
The shrimp. But sometimes the shrimp will have a muscle.
Wow!
Okay, use your brain, Filipino. And your imagination.
Stop clam jamming.
Clam jamming.
Clam jamming.
No clam jamming.
No, it's a clam jamming.
It's a female version of the C block.
What's the C block?
The cock blocking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, clam jamming.
Yeah.
Clam jamming.
Okay, I know what that is.
Jam the clam.
Okay.
Stuffle the muscle.
Stuffle
the muscle.
631-0899 or 1-800-10-KILLER-B. It's funner
when it's summer.
When it's summer.
Because blank.
Oh my goodness.
6310899. Also hit us up on Twitter at BoysNightOut899, at DJ Tony, at Sam_YG, at _SlickRick, at Ramon Bautista.
You know why it's fun? Because when you go to Boracay and see some hipon, you don't have to go get closer to find that they're hipon. Because 15 feet away, pwede na to.
Yun. Especially pag gabi na, pag chori burger time na.
Yun,
which is past 1 a.m. Past 1 a.m. is chori burger time.
Tapos pag naiilawan lang sila ng
street lights na konti-konti.
Street lights lang, okay na to.
Pwede na.
Tsaka 1 a.m., di ka pa wala ka pa sa hotel. Lahat na, pwede na yan.
Oo, siyempre.
That's why drunken shrimp.
Naka-sale na to.
It's best to eat it at night. In the dark.
That's why it's funner when it's summer.
Yeah.
Because the hipons look better.
In the dam.
Hipons look better.
All right, let's go to the phone line.
Standards are lower.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, yes.
Hi, may report lang ako.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Nakita ko si Ramon Bautista sa shower.
Sa shower? Are you nuts?
Sa Shangri-La.
Oh.
Oh.
Ang daming kasama babae.
Oy, dito sa Stanley Cheese book launch. Please check your eyes because I was with guys.
Nag-misinform!
Stanley Chi, Tado,
Oo, nakita ka yan eh.
few other guys.
After nung book launch, merong iba eh.
Yun. Wala ba?
Sana meron ha.
Maputi eh.
Uy.
Puti. Si Stanley Chi yun. Chinese yun. Kaya siya maputi.
Baka you mistook him for a girl. Kasi Stanley is medyo skinny.
Ibababa na namin yung telepono kasi mali yung mga reports mo.
Haka-haka lang yan.
Haka-haka lang yan.
Basta
Please
walang,
check your eyes. That's Stanley Chi.
as we say, walang
Plato
tweet pic.
tips too.
It's not real. It's not.
tweet pic.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
I want to be an Aussie, but my idol is Bogart.
Oh.
My idol is
Di ba
Bogart.
bagay?
Yeah, so how can they be like you, Bogart?
Well, the best part of doing any accent in the world is not to really try to imitate the accent, but first you'll have to learn the actual language itself. When you say the vowels,
Irish
when you
to.
drink the beer, when so the vowels are the key to any accent. And first
Are you
and
gonna
foremost,
teach us right now?
oh no, just a couple of tips
Okay, okay.
I'm about to give you.
For the
but
sexy accent, okay.
sexy accent is really easy to do on. Sexy accent is really easy to do on the radio because you have control over the volume and the tone and stuff.
American.
Yeah, so it's the key. Like I was saying, the real key there are the vowels, and then the certain nuances and the intonation that a certain accent has. For example, in an American, you would say water, and an Aussie would say water.
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 And
Hey, caller, can you pronounce that?
Water.
Water.
very good. And as opposed to a German would say it as Vater.
Water.
Yeah, because the V is a V.
You're the one you spread in the pandesal.
What about? What about?
New Zealand, water.
And in Japanese, when you order
In
the
Indian.
Water.
water,
Did you confirm that?
Water.
water.
See?
Water.
That's an accent I've never had the pleasure of mastering, the Indian accent. They're so varied, so many. It's a beautiful language,
on
and
the
the
province.
accent itself is
It's intense.
intense.
How about Japanese?
Well, I only know Japanese. Cola in Japanese is kora.
Very good.
One rice, one kora. Very good.
Very good.
Filipina. Very good.
Very good.
So, did you pick color? Did you pick up the accent? Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay na.
Bye-bye.
Nga-stress yata siya.
Info overload.
Oo, di niya na kaya.
It's
Medyo
funner
malang yung
when
brain
it's summer. Wala na tayo.
Nawala yung topic. Okay, anyway, carry on. Let's take calls. Saying what's up to Mr. Risha Soto. It's funner when it's summer, yeah.
Let's get to a song.
Ano ba nangyayari?